Hey everybody. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on today's homework assignment. Okay, so we did this one in class, and so if you didn't catch it, this is what this was about. The teacher had their lunch catered. Now they bought a 3-foot long sub sandwich and cut the sandwich into slices that are each 1/4 of a foot. So I'm looking at this one right here. I'm going to go and get my marker so we can see it better. So I need to cut this into 1 foot. This is another foot. And I always think of like Subway when I think of this one. Because then you can get the, what is it, the 6-inch, which is going to be the half a foot, or the full one. The full foot. All right, now I wanted to come up here. Sorry about that. Okay, so now on this one right here, it says that it cut 1/4 of a foot long. So I'm going to cut these here. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. I'm going to take this next foot and cut in 1/4. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And then I'm going to cut this last one into fourths. So this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. Now the question is asking, let me move my face over. I may have to just eliminate my picture. Let me go ahead and eliminate it so that I don't have to, we can just see. So here it's how many slices do they have? So we're looking for a total amount. So I'm going to take my 3, because this is the 3 feet that I have, divided by 1/4. And in class, we said that they were going to have 12 slices, and that was my solution. So then it says, what's my division problem? So we said that this will equal to 12. If I had to do a multiplication expression, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we said that was going to equal to 12. So let's look at our multiplication. How many groups do I have? I have 3 groups. And how many are in each group? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. I know that I have 4 1/4, so I have 4 in each group. So 3 times 4 equals 12. All right, so now there's a total of 12 slices. Let's move on to the next problem. Turn over to this back page. Problem number 2. Uh-oh. I may have to switch over because I was using a marker and it kind of bled through. The cafeteria lady had 6 oranges. Ooh, more oranges. And she divided up into pieces that were 1/8 of the size of the orange. How many pieces of orange does she have? Okay, so let me get another sheet because it looks a little. So this is going to be better. Well, what happened here? What are my other pages? I'm missing 2 and 3 because there's 4, 5, and 6. I'll give you 2 and 3 tomorrow. Don't know how that happened. All right, so here I have 6 oranges. And I can draw oranges. I'm going to actually just draw my 1 hole to represent 1/8. Here I'm going to have a total of 8 Oh, it's 6 oranges. 6 oranges, and I'm dividing it by 1/8. Make this a little bit larger. So this is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 4 of 1/8, 5 of 1/8, 6 of 1/8, 7 of 1/8, 8 of 1/8. So there's a total of 8 eighths there. This is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 7 and 8 eighths. So this is 8 eighths there. So it's already 1, 2. This is 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. So I know I'm going to have 8 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So I have another 8 groups. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's 4 oranges. And today we did it with oranges with 3, but now we have 6. And instead of 4ths, we're doing 8s. So there's 8 more parts. And in class, somebody was saying that if my denominator, I'd have a total number of 8. So because I have a total number of 8, I'm going to have 8 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. I needed only 6 oranges. Too many. All right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges. And then for each orange, I had a total of 8 slices. So this would be the same as 6 times 8, which I'll have a total of 48 pieces of orange. Slices or pieces. Okay, so this is going to be 48 pieces of orange. All right, let's get to number 5. The pitcher for the class picnic holds 8 pints of lemonade. Each student will get 1/4 of a pint of lemonade. Oh, that was really sweet. Okay. So how many students will the lemonade serve? So we don't know how many students, but we just need to find out how many students can be served. So I have 8 pints of lemonade. If each student's going to get 1/4, can you already tell me the multiplication problem? Because I have my 8 groups. Each group will have 4 parts to it. So this is the same as 8 times 4. So I should do it this way. My 1 whole, and then I'm going to have 4 equal parts to it. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. It's my next group. 1/4, 3 1/4, and 4 1/4. My third group. Oh, sorry, 1/4. Okay, so I have 4 groups here, 4 groups here, 4 groups here. Four groups here. 4 groups. So that's already 5. This is number 6. Number 7, and then the next whole group. This is the 8th whole group that I need to divide into fourths. 1, 2, 3. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Another 4 groups. So here I have 8 groups, and in each one I have 4 of the 1/4s. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fours, which equals 32. So I can serve 32 students with 8 pints of lemonade. Okay, super cool. Let's go to the next one. I can't believe I left off 2 problems because I left off 2 and 3. That was 1. I left off 2 and 3. Can't believe it. All right, so the principal bought chocolate cakes to celebrate the students' accomplishments. That was so sweet. The 2 cakes were cut so that each piece was 1/12 of the whole cake. How many pieces of cake were there? All right, so are the pieces going to be big or small? Yeah, kind of tiny, right? So this is 1/12 of the whole, and there were 2 cakes. So I'm going to take my 2 cakes, and I'm just going to label so I know what I have, and I need it to divide those into 1/12 each piece. Then I need to find out, remember, it's what do I need to know? How many pieces of cake were there? So, yeah, did you already figure that one out? Very cool. So, good job. That's going to be 24 because for the 2 groups, I'm going to have 12 pieces in each group. So, I'm going to have 24 pieces. Now, you'll just need to draw that out. So, I'm going to have my first cake. I'm going to make this a little bit longer. Match that up. So because it's 12, so let me do that one in 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confused myself. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12. Yes, it is exhausting. 1/12, 1/12, 11 1/12, and 12 of the 1/12. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to show my next cake. I get to feed 12 people from this first cake, and then I'm going to represent this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I get to serve 12 people here. So my 12 plus my 12 equals 24. So I get to have, or how many? So there's going to be 24 pieces of cake. There we go. All right, now this next one here. Tracy had 1/2 of a box of cookies. Now she shared it with 2 friends. How much of the box of cookies does each person get? Which equation below could match this problem situation, and how do you know? All right, so she had 1/2 of a box of cookies, and she shared it with 2 friends. What do you think needs to be done here? Is it telling me that we have the two friends and we need to split them in half? Is that what that's saying? Or is it telling me that I have a half of a box and then I'm going to need to share them or split them up with my two friends? Yeah, absolutely. So it's going to be that we're going to take the half of a box and we're going to now divide that by 2. So it becomes this one right here. Or not 2, but it's 3. Where did I see that it was 3? She with 2 friends. So this is 1 plus 2. So it is 1/2 divided by 3. This is the 1/2 of box that we have. And then this is the 3, which is her friends. One way of thinking about it is, can you split her friends up? Her friends can't be divided into halves. We laughed about that today. So they can't be divided by their friends. So we have to, what is it that we are able to divide? So that works out like that then. All right. We're going to, tomorrow I will give you problems 2 and 3 so that you can finish that up. And then tomorrow we're going to be going over, you'll have another practice sheet to reinforce what you've learned on this one. Then we're moving into the fractions divided by a whole number and what does that look like. And then we'll tie it all together so that you can identify the language of each story problem so that you can recognize which one comes first, the whole number or the fraction. You guys have a great afternoon. I appreciate you being with me today, and I shall see you later. Bye.